Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our online class once again. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. So today we are going to learn about sentences. How a sentence is constructed, what is a sentence, and how do we make sentences, what are the basic things required for a correct sentence. So these are the things which we are going to learn today. Basically, what is a sentence and why do we need to make a sentence? When you want to speak up something or communicate your thoughts to someone, we need a sentence. Now if I use jumbled words together, will it be a sentence? Can it be a sentence? No. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which is arranged in a proper order to make a complete sense, right? Now for example, go, I, school, to. Is it a sentence? No. It is a group of words, but when we arrange them properly, then it becomes a sentence. That means I want to tell you that मैं school जाता हूँ. I go to school. But these are some words which are not arranged properly. But when they will get arranged properly, it will make a complete sense. That means what I want to communicate will become very clear that yes, I go to school. So, I go to school. Right? Now, are you able to understand my feelings, my thoughts? Yes. But now one thing, what are you noticing over here? I. Here the I was small. But here when it came to the starting of a sentence, it became capital. Why do we make that? Why do we usually start a sentence with a capital letter? So that you come to know from this word the sentence is starting. And initially we say this word a little louder. I go to school, right? So this becomes a complete sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in proper order to make a complete sense, right? A sentence always starts with a capital letter. Clear? Now let's see some examples. See, here you have to tell me that whether it is a sentence or not. To the west. Is it a sentence? Yes or no? Some are telling yes, some are telling no. Right? No. This is not a sentence. First of all, it is not starting with a capital letter. It is not starting with a capital letter. To the west. What to the west? You are not getting a proper idea. So when you are not, and it is not making a complete sense. When it is not making a complete sense and you are not getting a proper idea, that means this is not a sentence. So, wrong. This is not a sentence. Come on, let's see the next sentence. The rose smells sweet. The rose smells sweet. Right? Now, is it a sentence? Think about it. What are the things required to make a complete sentence? The words must be arranged in a proper order. And when they are arranged in a proper order, they are making a complete sense. The rose smells sweet. Rose की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है, right? So yes, it is making a complete sense. Is it starting with a capital letter? Yes, it is starting with a capital letter. So yes, this is a sentence, right? This is a sentence. Now the next, up the hill. Now what is up the hill? Is it making complete sense? No. It is starting with a small letter and not making a complete sense. So this is not a sentence. Next, he sang a song. What did he sing? A song. It is making a complete sense. Secondly, is it starting with a capital letter? Yes, it is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. That means the whatever I wanted to say is over, finished. He sang a song. उसने गाना गाया. बात खत्म. जहाँ खत्म होती है, we put a full stop and it makes a complete sense. Whatever we want to say is complete, right? So yes, this is a sentence. Next. Book give me art. 2. Is it a sentence? Think about. Yes. Book give me I too. Is it making any sense? No. But a sentence is starting with a capital letter. Even if it is starting with a capital letter, but it is not making a complete sense, so this is not a sentence, right? Next, he was flying a kite. Now see, he was flying a kite. H is capital, पतंग उड़ा रहा था. Correct? Ending with a full stop. Whatever I wanted to tell you, I am telling it clearly. And when the sense is clear, when the sentence is complete, it is a complete sentence, right? So this is a complete sentence. Okay? The next, she helped everyone. She helped everyone. सबकी मदद करी. Is it a sentence? Yes, it is making a complete sense. And S is also capital. Next sentence, India is my country. Yes, think about it. What are the things required for a complete sentence? It should make a complete sense. India मेरा देश है, भारत मेरा देश है, right? So it is making a complete sense. Next thing, I is capital, correct? So this is a complete sentence, right? Next, we traveled to. Nothing is given here. कहाँ गए हम? No. But it is starting with a capital letter. even though it is starting with a capital letter, it is not making a complete sense, and hence it is not a sentence, right? Next, book is mine. See, it is starting with a capital letter. Book मेरी है. अरे भाई कौन सी बुक आपकी है? ये क्लियर है? No. So is it making a complete sense? No. So it is not a sentence. Okay. Now, hope you all have understood the which is a sentence and which is not a sentence. A group of words arranged together makes a complete sense, is a sentence, proper sentence. Now, what are the things required for a proper sentence? There are some things which are required for a proper sentence, or a sentence is made up of. What is a sentence made up of? Sentence is made up of three things: subject plus verb plus object. Now, what is subject? About whom we are talking. What is object? It describes the thing which we are talking about. For example, Rose is a beautiful. Sorry, we'll take another sentence. I go to school. Right? Now, about whom are we talking? I am talking about myself. I am talking about myself. So, I is the subject. We are talking about myself. I. Verb. What are you doing? क्या कर रहे हो? Going. I go. मैं जाता हूँ. कहाँ जाते हो? To school. So, every sentence is made up of subject plus verb plus object. So, subject is I go to school. Next sentence, let's see. The dog is barking at the cat. Now, about whom are we talking about? The dog. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Dog. So, the whom we are talking about is the subject. किस पे भौंक रहा? Barking. Barking is a verb. This is the verb. This is the subject. And the object at the cat. किस पे भौंक रहा है? At the cat. Correct? Cat is the object. Okay? Are you getting? Okay. Next. The boy is playing in the park. Who is playing in the park? Who is playing? Subject, the boy. Verb, is playing. Where is he playing? In the park is the object. Got it? So, a sentence is made up of subject, verb and object. Right? Let's take one more example. The girl is carrying a book. Right? The girl is carrying a book. See, about whom are we talking? We are talking about the girl. So the girl is the subject. Verb क्या कर रही है? Books carry कर रही है. This is the verb. Object, a book. Right? Are you getting it? Hope this is clear. So we can say, what is subject? Subject is the naming part of the sentence. What is subject? Subject is the naming part of the sentence. Okay? Right? And the object is the describing part. Describing part. Okay? Clear? Okay. So today now I am going to give you some sentences which you have to arrange properly. Okay? You have to note down these sentences and you have to arrange them properly to make complete sense. Okay? I will give you a group of words. Right? What I am going to give you? I am going to give you a group of words and you have to arrange them properly to make complete sense. This is for your homework, right? Okay, now note down. Exercise for homework. Okay? Go, I, school, to. Next. Boy, good, and I. The shine sky in the next glass water give me a of beautiful rose flower is a make sentences with these jumbled words, right? To make complete sense. Now for example, go I school to. Is it a correct sentence? No. Then how are you going to arrange it? For example, here I am giving you one example. Okay, a sentence starts with a capital letter, right? So I go to school, right? In this way, you have to write the correct answer. Okay? So you will be able to do this. And one more thing I am giving you. Try to make simple sentences with the given words. Okay. See, some jumbled sentences you are going to make and some you are going to make simple sentences with the given words. First word, school, right? S-E-H-O-O-L, school. Milk. Next word, vegetable. Vegetable. Next word, book. Next, parents. Next, pencil. Now hope you all have understood what is a sentence, how to construct a sentence. Once again, let's revise construction of a sentence. A sentence starts with a capital letter. A sentence should have the subject, the verb and the object, right? So these are the three things which you are going to remember while constructing the sentence. Remember, a sentence should have a subject plus verb plus object. Okay? Hope this is clear, children. Right? So this is for your homework, and try to do your homework. In the next period, I will check your homework, I will explain you, and we will move further on parts of a sentence. Right? Okay, thank you. Bye.